So that was an endeavor, but we basically did almost every monument and memorial on the mall.
In like 3 hours. I don't even know what time it is. So I had to drop off Grandma at the Lincoln Memorial, put a mile and a half that way, and then I had to run in steel-toe boots with my camera stuff, a mile and a half down to Jefferson Memorial to meet Jen and the kids. I think I made it. So Jackson, what do you know about Thomas Jefferson?
He was the one who wrote the Declaration of Independence.
He's one of them, yeah.
He was the one who started this own country too.
Yeah, he helped found the country. He's one of our founding forefathers. Maddie, what do you know about Thomas Jefferson?
He started a war.
I don't think he started a war.
What did he do?
He helped start the country. He helped write the Constitution. He was one of our founding forefathers. What do you know about Thomas Jefferson? Okay. So there's varying levels of what we know about Thomas Jefferson.
Did he write Bible stories?
No, he didn't write Bible stories.
Dang it!
Pretty cool nonetheless. This is my first time here. We're walking around the Franklin Delano Roosevelt FDR Memorial, and whoa, it's his wife, Eleanor. Oh my goodness. You see all the cherry blossoms are out, falling. It's super pretty. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, so we just went through the whole FDR area.
Yes.
And that was pretty cool.
Pretty neat.
Kind of little chilly, pretty long, but
yeah,
really fun to kind of walk through and just take a look at.
Yes.
And with kids just wanting to get close to their cousins, you know, we got to keep moving. So we got the little one way back there. She's coming. She'll make it. She'll survive. She'll just be the wild child in the FDR monument, known throughout the DC area.
The cherry blossoms are beautiful, though.
Cherry blossoms are great. There we go. But yeah, pretty cool so far. We got some walking to do, heading up towards MLK and then the Lincoln Memorial.
Yes.
Pretty neat. Oh my goodness. So what do you guys know about Martin Luther King?
He wrote a poem.
He wrote a poem. Okay. What he said it could be considered poetry.
Did he help the president, I think?
Did he help the president? How did he help the president?
He wrote a paper?
He wrote a paper.
He got shot off.
What do you think, Maddie?
He helped America.
He definitely helped America. He helped civil rights.
Yeah.
Right? He did a lot.
He got shot off a balcony.
He did. Yep. You guys would know that. He lived in Memphis. This the memorial is pretty neat. Just kind of seeing the open space, famous things that he said, and the cherry blossoms all around, and just it's an amazing memorial. It's quite beautiful. Bet you know what that is. before we go off the Lincoln Memorial. If you see all this stuff around, you saw it earlier. They're actually filming a Denzel Washington movie here.
He's
I don't know.
right
I don't know if
there.
he's in it, but he's right.
He's in the khaki coat.
Right over there.
That's Denzel Washington.
But so that's why things are kind of slowed down. They kept asking everybody to be quiet and be respectful and stuff like that. I guess they're working on a movie, so a little bit windy. We're gonna try to find some family, but I hope you guys enjoyed the Lincoln Memorial. So what do you guys know about World War II?
Pretty sure there was like a dog that helped in the war. I'm not sure.
A dog that helped in World War II. Hey Jackson, what do you know about World War II? Have you started learning about it yet? No, not yet.
I have an idea.
Kids haven't really started learning about World War II yet. What's your favorite thing you've seen today?
I like going to splash in it.
Okay, well I asked you not to splash in it, but she likes splashing in the water of World War II Memorial, and I think anyone who is memorialized by this would enjoy that. It's just really touching. It's hard to describe until you're here in person and you think about the people of the greatest generation sacrificed for our country in a tradition that I'm trying to uphold through my service. It's really pretty touching sitting in a memorial like this with your kids. Perspective that I get to have as someone in the military.
Hey, Dad.
It's pretty cool.
Dad, where's Mom?
What do you think so far, babe?
I think it's awesome that the mall is here to memorialize the people that have made America what it is today, and the people that are respected on the mall are presidents and soldiers. And I think that is a very telling sign of what made America what it is today. You have other people like Martin Luther King as well, but really it's the presidents of the United States that have really moved this country forward, and the soldiers that have sacrificed for the price of freedom.
So serious, but very true. Very true. We're at the Washington Monument. I didn't realize you could walk up into it, touch it. Look, there it is. The 50 flags. For the 50 states. You can see the Capitol building back there on that side. You can see the Lincoln Memorial on that side to be in our nation's capital. We're wrapping up our tour of the mall here. What better way, the National Mall, than with ice cream? Ice cream in front of the Capitol building. I think it's a pretty good way to close this day out. So, hope you enjoyed a quick whirlwind tour with my family around the National Mall. And maybe you go get yourself some ice cream. We saw Denzel Washington.
Saw Denzel Washington.
That was kind of cool.
Nothing like seeing Denzel Washington in Washington.
That's a good point. I didn't think about that.